Hey, what's up guys? So I wanted to share with you a really cool trick for rigging your lines on the beach, especially in sort of tighter spaces and places, spots around. If there are quite a few kiters on the beach, or if you've got a really limited amount of space to set up your gear, I can show you how you can keep your lines and rig your lines so that you can literally just rig in any sort of space and go and have a session. So yeah, let me show you how to do that. As you can see here, we've got the blue line and the red line, and they are separated on either side. I've already separated the lines. So when you go to wrap up your lines, we're going to just wrap them up as normal. It doesn't matter if the bar is twisted around a few times like this. It makes no difference. All you do is you just take your lines. I like to start with the center lines, grab the steering line and then the other steering line, and then you just wrap the lines around the bar as normal, just like you would when you're packing up your lines. So I'm going to show you here what you do next. So you wrap up your lines, get all the way up to the kite, here's the trick. Alright, so as you can see there, we've wrapped the middle lines around the middle. We've wrapped the steering line around the one side of the bar, and then the other steering line around the other side of the bar. And so now when I want to go and rig somewhere and I actually don't have enough room to rig, I can literally connect my lines and then walk my lines out and go straight for a session. I don't need to walk my lines at all. Now, I do recommend connecting it the way that you disconnected it. So if you wrapped up the red line last, then that's the one you should start with. Right, so we go like this. And at this stage you can be drift launching. You can already start launching the kite because you know your lines are perfect. There you can see my lines are perfect. There we go. Show you guys as well, someone mentioned in the comments in one of my other videos that you know, they didn't want to deal with the hassle of having to put this line back through once you do that self-landing technique that I showed you. But really, I mean, look, I mean, it's not that difficult. All you have to do is, you know, you can even put the bar down and then you just grab the middle line and you pull it through. I mean, that's not very hard. And then you literally go to the end and then just pull it all the way through. Boom, we're ready to roll up the lines already. So it's not that difficult really.